Welcome to our deep dive, everyone. We're diving into the world of quantum AI today.
Exciting stuff.
Yeah, we've got some really fascinating sources here
Definitely.
that paint a picture of what the future with this tech might look like. And it's pretty wild. Revolutionizing healthcare.
Right.
Reshaping global economies. Seems like quantum AI could touch like every aspect of our lives.
It really does feel like a total paradigm shift.
Yeah.
And I think what's really captivating about it is that we're not just talking about faster computers.
Right.
You know, we're talking about a fundamentally different way of processing information.
Yeah. One of the sources even mentioned like tackling climate change.
Oh, wow.
Like a major application.
Yeah.
Which feels huge.
Yeah.
But
it does.
Before we get ahead of ourselves,
Sure.
maybe you can break down like the basics for us.
Yeah.
What makes quantum computing so different from the computers we use every day?
So the key difference really lies in the way information is represented.
Okay.
Classical computers use bits,
Right.
which can be either a 0 or a 1. Quantum computers, on the other hand, utilize these things called qubits.
Okay.
And these qubits, thanks to the principles of superposition and entanglement, can represent 0, 1, or a combination of both simultaneously.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's kind of like having a switch that can be both on and off at the same time.
That's a little mind-bending.
It is a little mind-bending.
But I think I'm starting to get it.
Okay, good.
So more possibilities with each qubit means more computing power.
Exactly. This is what allows quantum computers to perform calculations in parallel,
Okay.
exploring multiple possibilities at once.
Gotcha.
And this is particularly relevant for AI, which often involves sifting through these vast data sets and making really complex decisions.
Right. So imagine the possibilities when you combine the learning capabilities of like AI with the computational power of quantum computers.
Exactly. And that's what a lot of the sources are really kind of highlighting.
Yeah, they're saying this speed boost could like dramatically cut down the time it takes to train AI models. One even mentioned training happening in minutes instead of days.
Right.
Is that really possible?
It is for certain types of problems.
Okay.
While not all algorithms benefit from quantum computation, there are specific areas where we see tremendous potential. For instance, deep neural networks, a cornerstone of modern AI, could be trained significantly faster using quantum algorithms.
Okay.
So this would enable us to develop and adapt AI models in real time.
Wow.
Leading to breakthroughs in fields like personalized medicine and self-driving cars.
Yeah. Speaking of personalized medicine, one of the sources described using quantum AI to like analyze protein folding.
Yes.
Leading to targeted drug delivery systems. It sounds like something straight out of science fiction.
It does.
Can you explain how that would even work?
So proteins are these really amazing things. They're the building blocks of life.
Okay.
And their 3D structure actually determines their function.
Okay.
So understanding how proteins fold is absolutely crucial for drug development.
Okay.
The thing is, simulating protein folding on classical computers is a really, really computationally demanding task.
I can imagine.
However, quantum computers, with their ability to analyze multiple possibilities simultaneously, could drastically accelerate this process.
Wow.
Imagine designing drugs that precisely target specific proteins, leading to more effective treatments with fewer side effects.
It sounds incredibly promising, but
It does.
the sources also mentioned some pretty daunting technical challenges.
Yeah.
One that stood out to me was decoherence.
Yes.
Is that the biggest hurdle facing quantum computing right now?
Decoherence is a major challenge.
Okay.
It's true.
Yeah.
Qubits are incredibly sensitive to their environment, and even the slightest disturbance can cause errors in calculations.
Oh, wow.
So imagine a qubit, like a perfectly balanced spinning top.
Okay.
The slightest vibration can knock it off its axis, disrupting the computation.
Right.
So maintaining the stability of these qubits is a huge engineering challenge.
Yeah.
And it's one of the key areas researchers are focusing on.
So keeping those qubits stable is crucial for building larger, more powerful quantum computers, right?
Absolutely. Scalability is another big challenge.
Right.
Building quantum computers with more qubits while maintaining their stability and accuracy is a monumental task.
Right.
But despite these hurdles, the progress we've seen in recent years is remarkable.
That's good to hear.
Yeah, we're seeing continuous improvements in qubit technology, error correction techniques, and the development of new algorithms tailored for quantum computers.
One of the sources suggested that while we may not have large-scale, fault-tolerant quantum computers today, the technology is advancing rapidly. It even mentioned the possibility of quantum advantage being achieved within the next few years.
It's an exciting time.
Yeah. What does that mean for the development of quantum AI?
So quantum advantage refers to the point where a quantum computer can demonstrably outperform the best classical computer for a specific task.
All right.
While we haven't achieved this for a broad range of problems yet, there are indications that we're getting closer.
Okay.
Once we reach quantum advantage, it will be a game changer.
Wow.
It will unlock all these new possibilities for quantum AI, allowing us to tackle problems that are currently intractable for classical computers.
This all sounds incredibly exciting, but it also raises a lot of questions about the potential impact of quantum AI on society.
Yeah.
For example, one source mentioned the possibility of quantum AI creating entirely new industries and job markets.
Right. And that's something that we really need to start thinking about now.
Yeah.
Because while it's difficult to predict the future with certainty, it's clear that quantum AI will have far-reaching consequences. Just like the internet revolutionized the way we communicate and access information, quantum AI has the potential to transform industries, ranging from healthcare and finance to materials science and energy production.
And what about the potential for job displacement?
Sure.
It seems inevitable that some jobs will become automated as quantum AI becomes more sophisticated.
That's a valid concern. It's important to remember that technological advancements often lead to shifts in the job market. While some jobs may be displaced, new opportunities will emerge in fields related to quantum technology, AI development, and data analysis.
So it's going to be crucial to invest in education and retraining programs.
Yes.
To ensure that people have the skills they need to thrive in this evolving landscape.
Exactly.
One source even highlighted the potential for quantum AI to help us understand the universe in new ways.
I love that.
Yeah.
I love that idea.
Could we be on the cusp of unlocking some of the universe's biggest mysteries?
That's a fascinating prospect.
Yeah.
Quantum mechanics, the theory that underpins quantum computing, is already helping us understand the universe at its most fundamental level. So quantum AI could potentially amplify our ability to analyze complex astrophysical data, simulate the behavior of black holes, and even delve deeper into the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy.
Well, before we delve too deeply into the cosmos, maybe we should focus on some of the more immediate implications of quantum AI.
Okay, sure.
Let's explore how this technology could revolutionize specific industries, starting with finance.
An excellent choice. The financial sector, with its reliance on complex algorithms and vast data sets, is poised to be one of the first industries to really benefit from quantum AI.
Okay. Let's dive in. So finance. It seems like an area ripe for disruption, especially with the speed and complexity of the markets. One of the sources even mentioned quantum algorithms being used to predict market crashes. Is that really a possibility?
Predicting market crashes with absolute certainty is still in the realm of science fiction, I think. Even with quantum AI, however, quantum computers could offer a significant advantage in risk assessment and portfolio optimization.
So imagine being able to run these complex simulations that take into account like a vast number of variables from economic indicators to geopolitical events.
Exactly. And that's something that classical computers really struggle with because of the sheer number of possibilities.
One source specifically highlighted quantum Monte Carlo simulations. What makes them so powerful for finance?
So quantum Monte Carlo simulations leverage the probabilistic nature of quantum mechanics to tackle complex financial models. They can analyze these vast data sets and run scenarios with a level of detail that's simply impossible for classical computers.
So this could lead to more accurate risk assessments, more efficient portfolio management, and potentially even the ability to identify early warning signs of market instability.
Exactly. It's like having a crystal ball.
Almost.
But powered by quantum mechanics.
That sounds like it could revolutionize the way we manage risk.
Definitely.
Not just in finance, but in other fields as well.
Absolutely. Think about insurance companies assessing risk for natural disasters.
Okay, yeah.
Energy companies predicting energy demand, or even governments forecasting economic trends.
Right.
The applications are incredibly diverse.
It's amazing to think how quantum AI could impact such a wide range of industries.
Yeah, it really is.
But let's shift gears for a moment.
Okay.
And talk about logistics and transportation.
Sure.
Another area the source is highlighted as a prime candidate for quantum disruption.
Yes, logistics all about optimization.
Right.
Finding the most efficient routes, minimizing delivery times,
Right.
managing these complex supply chains.
Yeah.
These are all areas where quantum AI could really excel.
So imagine a world where self-driving trucks navigate traffic seamlessly.
Right.
Drones deliver packages with pinpoint accuracy, and global supply chains just adjust to disruptions in real time.
That's the dream.
No more waiting weeks for that online order then.
Exactly.
Sounds like a logistical dream come true.
It does.
One source even talked about using quantum AI to optimize traffic flow in cities, reducing congestion and improving commutes. Could that really be possible?
It's certainly within the realm of possibility.
Okay.
Quantum AI could analyze real-time traffic data from a multitude of sources. From GPS signals to traffic cameras, and use that information to dynamically adjust traffic signals, optimize routes, and even predict and prevent traffic jams before they occur.
That would be a game changer for anyone who's ever been stuck in rush hour traffic.
I know, right?
But beyond transportation, what about the impact on how we design and build things?
Okay.
One source mentions something called materials discovery using quantum AI.
Yes. That's a fascinating area.
Yeah.
With the potential to revolutionize industries ranging from aerospace to electronics.
So imagine designing materials with specific properties, like strength, flexibility, or conductivity at the atomic level.
Exactly. Quantum computers could simulate the behavior of molecules and atoms, allowing scientists to discover and engineer new materials with unprecedented precision.
So we could have lighter, stronger building materials, more efficient solar panels, and maybe even entirely new types of battery.
Exactly. And that could have a huge impact on fields like renewable energy and electric vehicles.
That's incredible.
It is.
But one source also pointed out that all this computational power and data analysis raises some serious ethical considerations.
It does. That's an essential point.
Yeah.
As with any powerful technology, we need to be mindful of the potential risks and ensure that quantum AI is developed and used responsibly. Data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the potential for misuse are all areas that require careful consideration.
It sounds like a delicate balancing act.
It is.
Ensuring that we unlock the potential of this technology while safeguarding against its potential pitfalls.
Exactly. We need to foster open dialogue, establish clear ethical guidelines, and ensure that the development and deployment of quantum AI are aligned with human values and societal well-being.
One source even argued that we need a new kind of quantum literacy.
I like that. To navigate this future effectively.
What do you think that means?
I think it highlights the importance of education and public understanding. Just as we teach children about the internet and social media, we need to educate future generations about the implications of quantum AI. And this includes not just the technical aspects, but also the ethical, societal, and philosophical dimensions of this technology.
It sounds like preparing for a future with quantum AI goes far beyond just building bigger and better computers. It requires a fundamental shift in how we think about technology, its role in society, and its potential impact on our lives.
Absolutely. And it's a conversation that needs to involve everyone. Scientists, policymakers, business leaders, educators, and the public alike.
We're all stakeholders.
Exactly.
In this quantum future. And it's up to us to shape it responsibly.
I agree.
Speaking of shaping the future, one area that really captured my imagination was the potential of quantum AI to accelerate the development of renewable energy technologies. One source even suggested that it could be the key to solving the climate crisis.
That's a bold claim.
It is.
But it's not entirely unfounded. Quantum AI could revolutionize our understanding of energy production, storage, and distribution.
So we've talked about quantum AI's potential to transform industries like finance and logistics and materials, science and transportation. But What really sparked my curiosity was its potential role in tackling like the energy crisis and maybe even climate change. It feels like such a massive problem.
Yeah.
Can quantum AI really make a difference?
It's certainly a daunting challenge, but quantum AI offers some pretty intriguing possibilities. For instance, it could totally revolutionize the way we design solar panels, making them way more efficient at capturing energy from the sun. Imagine solar panels that can convert almost 100% of sunlight into electricity.
Wow, that would be a total game changer. One source even mentioned using quantum AI to develop like entirely new types of batteries capable of storing vastly more energy than current technologies. That feels like a really crucial piece of the puzzle for a renewable energy future.
Absolutely. Efficient energy storage is essential for transitioning to a grid powered primarily by renewable sources like solar and wind. Quantum AI could help design batteries with higher energy density, faster charging times, and longer lifespans, making renewable energy more practical and reliable.
It seems like quantum AI could impact like every step of the energy process, from production and storage to distribution and consumption. It's almost hard to grasp the scale of the potential change.
It's true. Quantum AI could optimize smart grids, making them more efficient and adaptable to fluctuations in energy supply and demand. It could even analyze individual energy consumption patterns, helping us make smarter choices about how we use energy in our homes and businesses.
It sounds like we're talking about a complete transformation of our energy infrastructure, all driven by the power of quantum AI. It's exciting, but also a little bit overwhelming.
It is a lot to take in, but I think it's important to remember that this transformation won't happen overnight. We're still in the early stages of quantum AI development, and there are many technical and societal challenges to address.
One source cautioned against viewing quantum AI as like a silver bullet solution to all our problems. It emphasized the need for continued investment in existing renewable energy technologies, alongside research into quantum solutions.
I completely agree quantum AI should be seen as a powerful tool in our arsenal, but it's not a substitute for other efforts to combat climate change and transition to a sustainable energy future. We need a multifaceted approach that includes policy changes, technological innovation, and individual action.
So while quantum AI may not have all the answers, it certainly offers a glimmer of hope in the face of what can sometimes feel like an insurmountable challenge.
That's a good way to put it. Quantum AI is a beacon of possibility, reminding us that even in the face of complex global problems, human ingenuity and scientific progress can offer pathways forward.
Well, after this incredible journey into the realm of quantum AI, I'm left with a sense of awe and a renewed sense of optimism. It feels like we're on the cusp of a technological revolution that could reshape not just industries, but the very fabric of our lives, potentially even helping us build a more sustainable future for generations to come.
It's been a fascinating discussion. I hope that listeners will continue to explore this field, stay informed about its developments, and engage in thoughtful conversations about its implications. The quantum future is unfolding before us, and it's up to all of us to shape it wisely.
Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the world of quantum AI. We hope you've enjoyed the journey and that it sparked your curiosity to learn more. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep imagining the possibilities.